Hi everyone, this is Jack.
And I am Maya. This is Sound of AI replacing jobs.
Calculators are simple tools, but AI is far more advanced. This tech is totally different from earlier inventions.
Every generation said that about new technology. People feared computers and the internet too.
And some jobs did disappear forever. What about factory workers who lost everything?
Millions of jobs came from new industries, allowing the economy to adjust and become more resilient.
Easy words when your job is safe. Real people are going through serious hardship right now. So it's our fault if we lose jobs? You're blaming workers instead of the system.
I'm not blaming anyone at all. I'm saying we have power to control our future.
Power? What power do we have? Companies make all the decisions about AI.
We can either learn or refuse to change, and that's what decides our success.
New opportunities.
All right, let's say I want to learn. What new jobs exist because of AI exactly?
Prompt engineers earn very high salaries, over $300,000 for creating prompts for AI.
That sounds like a tech job. I'm not technical, so that won't work for me.
Greater than AI trainers teach systems about specific industries. Marketing. You could do that.
Training AI in marketing? That idea never crossed my mind before.
See? AI creates jobs we never imagined possible. You just need to look differently.
What other opportunities are there? Give me more examples that sound realistic.
They help translate AI outputs into real insights. Companies need people skilled in both areas.
Both what? I don't understand what you mean.
Both the technology and the business context. That combination is extremely valuable now.
So my experience still matters. I don't have to start completely from zero.
Your experience becomes more valuable with AI. You just add new tools to existing skills.
The solution.
All right, now it's clear, but what's the first step to learning about this?
Start adding free AI tools to your work. Spend only 30 minutes daily to improve.
30 minutes doesn't seem like enough time. Won't it take years to become good at this?
In 3 months, you'll know more than most people. Small daily progress adds up fast.
What should I focus on learning first? There are so many AI tools out there now.
Use tools that fit your job. If you're in marketing, start with ChatGPT and Design AI.
You really believe AI will create more jobs than it takes away?
Every time, history proves it. Technology generates more opportunities than it removes.
I think I've been too negative. It's time to stop worrying and start learning.
That's exactly the right mindset to have. The future belongs to people who adapt.
All right, I'm convinced now. Can you help me get started with some AI tools?
Absolutely. Let's start together. I can show you the basics in 10 minutes.
Thank you, Maya. This conversation really changed my perspective on everything.
Upgrade yourself and accept change. AI should be seen as a partner, not an enemy.